Hey, so if you want to monitor team performance in HubSpot in 2026 and clearly see how your sales or support team is performing, this full guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot. Log in using your HubSpot email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure you have access to reports and dashboards, which are available on most HubSpot plans. From the top menu, click on Reports, then go to Reports Home. This is where HubSpot stores all performance data for teams, individuals, and pipelines. Start with dashboards. Open the default sales or service dashboard to get a quick overview of performance. Here you'll see metrics like deals closed, revenue, tasks completed, tickets resolved, and response times. Next, filter reports by team member or owner. This lets you see individual performance, compare reps, and identify top performers or areas where support is needed. Yeah, this part is key for managers. Check activity reports to track calls, emails, meetings, and tasks completed by each team member. High activity usually means strong engagement, while low activity can signal bottlenecks. Use deal reports to analyze pipeline health. Look at deal stages, win rates, and average close time to understand how efficiently your team is converting leads into customers. For support teams, review ticket reports, monitor ticket volume, response time, and resolution rate to ensure customers are getting timely help. You can also create custom reports to track specific KPIs that matter to your business. Combine properties like deal value, owner, and close date for deeper insights. Schedule reports to be sent automatically to your email or team on a daily or weekly basis. This keeps everyone aligned without manual checking. And that's it. By using dashboards, filtering by team members, tracking activities, and reviewing reports regularly, you can monitor team performance in HubSpot clearly and confidently. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.